Well, we have another question here, 5.2. The question says, determine the value of 1 over cos of 360 degrees minus theta times sine of 90 degrees minus theta minus 10 squared, open bracket 180 degrees plus theta. Well, so when the question says determine the value of this, in other words, we need to use reducing formula. We need to reduce the formulas that we can see there. Okay. Like cos of 360 degrees minus theta, 90 degrees plus theta, etc. So I know that we have formulas for this, okay? And for that, let me just do this way, this one, and that one. Now we can reduce this. I'm gonna write here the question. Let me first write here question 5.2. Okay, cos of 360 degrees minus theta, we can, you know, first of all, let me just draw those circles here. Okay, one for cos, one for sine, and the other for 10. Okay. So if for cos, for instance, cos of the angle, we know cos is a positive on the first and third and fourth quadrants. Okay, and then sine. Okay, sine of the angle is positive on the first and second quadrant. Actually, all of them are positive on the first quadrant, and then 10 of the angle is positive on the first and on the fourth quadrants. And the meaning for cos here is negative here, sine is negative there, negative and negative there. Now that we see for the first part, okay, 1 over cos, if I write, let's first write cos of 360 degrees minus theta. Okay, 360 degrees minus theta falls in the fourth quadrant, okay, because 360 degrees is over here, 360 degrees there. Okay, so 360 degrees minus theta is in this quadrant because theta must be an acute angle. So because it is in the fourth quadrant, meaning the answer here must be positive. So this can be reduced to cos of theta. Okay, now we also have like sine of 90 degrees minus theta. Sine of 90 degrees minus theta, this is equivalent to cos theta. Okay, you can check in your book formula. Okay, and then also we have like 10 of 180 degrees plus theta. 180 degrees, 10 plus theta. 180 degrees over here. Just there is 180 degrees plus theta, meaning we fall in the third quadrant where 10 is positive. So 10 of 180 degrees plus theta will be equal to equivalent to 10 theta. So we can rewrite this this expression. We can rewrite this expression as 1 over cos theta times cos theta. Okay, and then minus 10 squared of theta. Now, we can further rewrite it like 1 over cos squared theta minus 10 squared theta is similar to sine squared theta over cos squared theta. Okay, because you know sine 10 is like sine over 10 of the angle is like sine theta over cos theta. So then because the denominator are common, we have like cos squared, okay? We can just add the numerator, okay? So this makes 1 minus sine squared theta over over cos squared theta. So what we notice when we look at 1 minus sine squared theta, it reminds us this property that says like, you know, the property says let's just write it here. Sine squared theta plus cos squared theta equal 1. Now from here, if I want to keep cos squared theta on the left hand side, I can if I want to move, I keep cos squared theta. The left hand side move sin squared over. It's going to be sin squared theta. So this numerator here is just cos squared theta. So we have like cos squared theta over cos squared theta, and then this is just equal to 1. Okay, thank you.